Don't do it, John. Don't shoot. You're gonna shoot me.
Oh, okay, you got me,
Seeker tackles the other one.
Put it in reverse!
Thank you for tuning in again to my boring videos. Today we are going to be playing hide and seek with airsoft guns, as you can see in the title. Anyways, if you like the video, hey, can you turn it towards me? Yeah. No. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. The rules to hide and seek, pretty simple. The seeker has the only gun, he has a pistol, and the hiders, their goal is to, well, hide and just run away from the seeker. There's no base. So let's get into it. 45 seconds. Stay away from me. Stay away. My goal is just keep on circling where he already looks. And boy, he's standing right there. Ah, so you get rid of him.
I can't put my gloves on because my hands are freezing cold right now.
I'm pretty sure it's been 45 seconds.
Put it in reverse!
What in the world are them two doing?
Oh!
Or are you actually tired? Am I even hitting you?
So whenever he's close, I can build up my stamina.
What in the world are you doing?
No, I'm surrendering. You dummy. I'm surrendering. Ah.
There's no surrendering in this. That yellow perfect angle is him being retarded.
Yeah, we're playing hide and seek. You can't find me.
You can't find me. Oh, another thing I should have said.
Like and subscribe.
No. Seeker tackles the other one in order to attack them.
No.
Okay, well they at least have to shoot them enough to where they stop them.
Yeah, you get shot 5 times till you're out. Is that good?
Yeah, let's go. You get shot 5 times, you're out. Oh, shit. Three! Oh my gosh.
Anymore.
I got 1 life left. 4. You did, I counted that one.
But I shot you right there, then that'd be 5.
Isaiah, I was trying to call you and tell you, Isaiah, I need a diversion. You just kept on running.
How many times I shoot you? 4?
4 times, yeah.
I'll show you the third one was right there though. That make 2.
Oh, no, you didn't shoot me point blank. You shot me point blank, like, as soon as I started running, you shot me.
Dude,
Yeah.
you see how wet I am? That's from me diving into the thing.
I haven't shot Isaiah once.
You been going after me.
10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Not a better idea. I'll give him 30 seconds real quick. Isaiah's so retarded. 10, 15, 14, 16, 17.
Isaiah's so retarded.
I almost fell there. I'm gonna top my fence. Well, that was retarded.
Isaiah's so retarded.
I'll shoot you, Annie.
Oh, okay, you shot me.
That strobe ain't gonna work on me.
Hard shot.
No, I do strobe lights all the time in my room.
Okay, yeah, okay.
So I'm used to it.
I gotta get this.
I actually wanna know where you hit it. It's either you run or forfeit.
Nah, he's gonna have to forfeit.
What?
He's gonna have to forfeit.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm going in. Nope, I'm going in. I'm getting Isaiah. Y'all ready for this? I'm going for the tackle, and he's gonna forfeit. I'm literally just gonna go tackle him. I have flashlight, knife, phone, nothing. Isaiah, I do not have anything in my pockets. Set your pistol down. Set it down. In the chair. Mag's out. He has no ammo. Oh, wait. Did you already take this golden pistol? Don't do it, John. Don't shoot. You're gonna shoot me. Okay. Drop the gun now. Hey! You see how close that was to my freaking hand?
Oh, I know.
Now, stop. What did I say earlier? What did I say? Look at this.
Stop it. Stop it. Let him look.
What did I say earlier?
Oh, my back's already hurting.
You chose the hard way, right? Now stand up.
No, you're gonna shoot me.
No, we ain't. If you stand up and cooperate, we're not gonna shoot you. Put the gun down. Stand up. Stand up. Hey, give me your phone.
No,
Put it in your pocket. Put it in your pocket.
I'm gonna look.
All right, give me back your hands though. Stand up. Okay. Now we're walking over here.
Okay.
All right, we found. Okay, that does it for hide and seek. If you liked it, like for part 2. If you like the content we make, please make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications on so you get all the new updates and all the new uploads we make.